at chasich go naso kanigi she Marla Billey nishe kachi nishlindo na kaidina evashishim Omasane dasha chedo krizadachi dashanale aro ayese tsatlausi nasha in the bistahas kanje kehishte aro digentotade sharon aro othai nishlen dine college dine studies bachelors of arts ba inshta aro ba othai to nishlen Navajo Preparatory School Nashnish. For our NIS 455, we were given the assignment of doing a collage, a Landback collage, our homeland, Nihikeyah, like I said, Hathathli, Wendy artist ako the Unifies bit nasha shema ayes tsaile do naho konstiko Legion elwalia namba akondishje di bistahas conjugal adekate ayes shanale do nakinale shin ade hoen Akodi Kea Hodison Ship Marla Billey Ako Bija Bistahas Kanje Yoto Bet Kahotsoeki Tsaile Aro Shipra Northern Agency Alumni County, New Mexico Ako I might have to move this. Sorry. Okay. Thank you. This might be easier. Ako ayese di kaya hawan sinin hai achugo aronle achugo di hota. Ako kaigi shamado shija ebagan aro di kaigi shabijudo shinalebagan. Aro di kaya hawan saangi di kaya hawan sa. Aro di Google Maps bitano. Ako I'd say na she di kay ako don't know which kay ko. She ohiyu zasile ko she kaya kay do hawan sa alkitan ako kishin de leitselte not so do achugo obitin hawan sa anto in the leitselte anle di kwaeki o halkaite vision in the di shanale san shalkhalnako kwaeki Asian vision asante kholo Asian hlaba kete walya Asian kwaedi say that hlaba kete vision in the altera do shilbahus in the anide dan shalkhalna ako kwijugo aro shat aro nahankos aro di kon zilbenagi Harin das nilgo binago das nilgi o I place the pictures where they are in the direction. So zingo aro di din ingo put out di belagi I place the pictures there. Okay, I'd say Asian kwaegi kujo hai article di kwae di ting benong kwae Asian I'd say Hawaiian shanale san Asian kanego. Di shin that Hawaiian san de in the I'd say shin kwaegi the bebagando Hawaiian masisa nije tahdi Wait Albis Ongo Hawan Koshije 1949 yata a petition. So ita she quite hoan in there. I don't think days ago, ne de 80 quite hoan senil. I don't care 8 Ako di I don't how I say that. O she ako lake ita hoan she need there in the ado settle in the adenia in the quite the bebogans and the ita. Ado yago a dish. We took class with instructor Litson. Ado a deep it's ado if we dish a bitra. The quishi say do dish a bitra. As bilaganic acho bije a tabiye. Akoti kwaeki ashindi dish bikado a surface texture, a lumi fine sand, a bishop. Ado nanan lebik at the subsurface temperature, a she say do flesh, sandy clay, ado huya, adon le, I mean le huyate, 34 inches, a ado the sandstone, do deep soil, and its hazard of erosion. Akonditi a quality shejata a shikiyate. Ado Hawano do Kwaiki le Tentaglay the car a quiet tonale a quashije a kotoyete ado tushje. Nihikeyah tod na linde ansisina a tod den akodi a nihitod akokadi a onagloshi a tobai gete. Aron da kujo shed the archigo and they lati quiet tohilum. About maybe a mile or so from this one in the daily toy steed. Ishi bidding on toys team, Shinaleto, Shishbahuzandane. Ado Dinan Saiki Chil as Hulo. Shinale Bish Nash Asho in the Tikan, Asha in the Ashgraded Gadon here, Hulo in the Tikan, Asha is it, and the Shinale need the Benas Ito, Bekashito, she are con after they're always rubbing against it. They might knock it over and the other guts is it. Ado the a size it when it's on that's it size it but the ado down teliki in the is it. Ado the a Indian rice grass a over you the hulo ado ado size so is it 80 because it was shaped on the ado the Hathathli so the a over you hulo. At they the net cut the every day with Zikay in the Homeland, the Mazona Hardenosa in the net. I call a of the Hathathli so a vision out of a question tell the after a art will I don't take on 80 as the other belai isla and the asto in other Homeland a other I didn't take a picture of those plants. Because they would a or a visit the visual tone did a handage in a Homeland other the soil area is a lot of salinity, and there's of course invasive plants and grasses and things like that. It's low forage, but it's still a lot of different plants that grow there. The horn lark, and then this one was interesting. the chili shenandoah bendismaso and the hainet and the nana was in the this one animal, this bird, this was running around on the floor. I found the name, and it's a scaled quail, a Diné Sabahiki, a Dipije. The ídahwiil'aah the Homeland, the Alumni, Nits'áá, Nanalgir, Alodi a Kini, Magan, Alodi a Konal Kali, a call. The Baya a Oyu, Huelon Dick, and a of Ashkinin, the Didi Asad, Nahal Kal, Alod the Bebugan, Alodi a Heshin, the Hinao, the Hoan, a Oyu, a dabe. These horses, they're just grazing. I'm always complaining about them. Alodi a shajay chigo shake a shinale. Well, I'll go left to right. The shajay ado shadid ado shama. The shadid shinale shake. Alodi a shajay in the shajay 80 tibiban akhay. Alodi bijay alodi shajay alodi a shanan. Kodi a keshin de a bella. Alodi hawande ado kujo din ingo a zilk hujone. Kodi oyu han kwelon de la eda ne a is ni zilk. Ako a loal al khaya kwelon. Alodi walichi bangani oyu di bena walichi hawan kwelon. So one of the criteria we were getting at was to find some demographics. So adi kwaigi bestahis juko asante data aiden. Ako di ai te kanas ne libalano ashni ai ako di kwaigi a in 2020, there was 1,484 people that were registered at the chapter. But if you look at the population in 2000, it's decreasing. So it went from 1,872 to 1,772. To most recent census, it dropped to 1,484. So you see that the population from my chapter to Hathathli is decreasing. Here's a few more demographics that I found on the census data that I thought was interesting. So occupied housing units, there's 572, there's mobile homes, 68. This one, there's 106 people that live out in my chapter rural area that don't have a vehicle. And to get to Farmington or to Shiprock from my home, this is about 18 miles south of Shiprock. It takes about a good 30 minutes. And they don't have a vehicle to get to Shiprock, or let alone to Farmington, which is about an hour away. So that's how many people reported no vehicle. And then housing unit 368, a majority of the people who have a house use woods, they warm up their homes from using the firewood. And then of all the housing, 189 still lack plumbing, 179 still lack kitchen, and this is forever. We've been told, I don't know how many times, we're gonna get a telephone line, and that's just normal. Now we have cell phones, but since I was little, we always talked about that. So I thought I put that in there. We still haven't gotten telephone out here. But a lot of the population make less than 50,000. There are a lot of students from 3 years to college that are enrolled, 609. there are grandparents taking care of their grandchildren. There's 99 of them who probably are responsible for their grandchildren. We have 77 civilian veterans. And this one was interesting to me because I take care of my grandma, she's 92, and elders with disabilities that are over 65 who live like here, they don't have accessibility to like probably wheelchair ramps or even like parking or having safe homes with a disability. And this last demographic is the language spoken at home. So within the chapter, there's a lot. It says other language, but they didn't list Navajo. So I assume that the other language that's spoken at home is 1,410. And so a lot that only know English for the population over 5 years is 313 that only speak English. So I thought that was interesting from my chapter. It made me proud. I was thinking, oh wow, we're still speaking Navajo at home. Okay, let me go up. You can see all the green plants. That's when it rained a lot. But Tabitai ohi haneto but Shivano naho koshiko tabitai sa alo kuju tzedigon kwes di tzedigon. And then lo date zitna'ozili. Some people say Tees Mountain, but Carrizo Mountain alo zitna'ozili. Alo kuju Sleeping U Mountain zitna'jene. No tai Nihikeyah. My grandma always says that. She'll know that, hey, Mejo no tai Nihikeyah zitna'jene. Okay, and then this last one, Bisahis I put Bisahis Jih because the Kade do Shalanda. Open now, Ado, Le Bisahis Kanja Shalan. Kane Dane, Naya Izan, Tobajish, Alishi, Bashnota, Satane. Ado the Ado Bishop, the Kadish Lada in the Diné Sakad, Jodi Brigade, Tsahiki, O Sakad Nahaleno. I don't the Bennett, the Bensa. I don't the Con Nakinele, Helen be so bishop. I don't the Shije, I don't Shibisha, I don't Shije, they be like the Con does it. I don't question it. Ako shanalino hawanigi shin aita adisa shin di hawan and the okeya hiki yahashne hawanigi asate ako di I'm sorry, it predates home site leases. So this whole thing has been there before there was any home site leases. Just the new housing is around it. And just to say thank you and Nihikeyah to everyone.